The deep search hums through the depths, its crew silent before the approaching mystery. The vanished plane became a myth, a haunting echo of the ocean's deepest secrets.
In the silence of the deep, discovery often begins with a single, uncertain signal.
In the quiet cabin, discovery dawns as the sonar reveals a shape beyond comprehension.
Run a high-resolution scan.
The sonar revealed a ghost from history, preserved in silence beneath the crushing depths.
Ben's voice breaks the silence as realization dawns, naming the lost legend resting in the deep. The Nautilus descends, its lights piercing the depths as the first live images reach the crew. From the abyss emerged the lost aircraft, preserved in silence, its story waiting to be told.
They had uncovered more than wreckage, a story sealed beneath time, waiting to be heard.
The crew braces as the final command echoes, signaling the Kraken's descent into the deep.
Finally, the first hazy outlines began to appear on screen, not the jagged rocks they had seen before.
The Kraken's cameras reveal the impossible. Flight 714.
The wreckle's condition tells a story of impact, endurance, and the ocean's quiet reclamation.
In the fragile quiet, discovery and disbelief intertwine at the edge of the abyss.
The wreck's state suggested a controlled descent, hinting at a mystery deeper than a crash.
She felt the weight of history in the silence, each light revealing lives once lived.
The planning began under quiet tension, each risk and moral weight laid bare in the glow of data. Elias's words filled the room, igniting belief that Flight 714's rebirth was within reach. A team forged from precision and courage, prepared in silence for the impossible task ahead. The Leviathan shudders as the ancient wreck begins its ascent from the abyss below.
Elias commands the lift sequence with precision as the crew responds in silent coordination.
Dr. Sharma confirms system stability as the crew monitors the lift with quiet concentration.
The seabed's grip loosens reluctantly, revealing both discovery and danger beneath the deep silence.
Anya's calm command steadies the team as structural tension rises in the sub's fragile frame.
Elias's command steadies the crew, their precision a fragile balance between control and catastrophe. The Leviathan trembled, and in that instant, every heartbeat synchronized with a pulse beat the deep. Inside the sub's control room, tension spikes as the unseen impact ripples through the crew. Cable snag. Port aft line. Something's caught on the debris field. Tension spikes through the crew as the ROV's camera catches a twisted engine fragment, forcing every hand to brace for failure. The crew watches in silence as the ROV's arm frees the cowling, tension giving way to relief.
Elias steadies his breath as the crew resumes the lift with cautious precision.
A shimmer breaks the silence, and history rises through the dark water into the moonlight. At last, the ocean releases its secret. Flight 7 ascends, reborn. On the Leviathan's deck, precision and silence meet as history's weight finds safe harbor.
The ocean's relic slowly surrenders its secrets under careful human hands and watchful eyes.
Under the fierce midday light, humanity's ambition and the ocean's scars meet in solemn balance.
The wreckage whispers its story, Every object remains a frozen echo of human history.
The engineers brace the fragile structure, aware each movement preserves a silent memory of lives once carried. The recovery completes as dawn breaks, marking the beginning of the vessel's solemn northward journey. Titan's Embrace arrives at Long Beach, its night transfer a symphony of engineering precision. The convoy rolled forward, a monument in motion, carrying memory and hope through the light. Under precise coordination, the final approach unfolds with quiet focus and reverent precision.
All right, people, let's get her settled. Precision is paramount. We're moving a wounded beast.
Sarah commands with...
Months of preparation culminate in the delicate choreography of restoration, unfolding with silent precision. The team begins the disassembly carefully, uncovering the aircraft's story layer by layer. Saltwater's legacy unfolds in silence, revealing the ocean's slow, merciless claim over human craft. Every rinse, every chemical bath, marks a step closer to reclaiming what time tried to erase. Each material tells its story of endurance and decay, guiding the team's careful judgment. Each component tells its story, cataloged, preserved, guiding the meticulous rebirth of the aircraft. Their pursuit for authentic materials spanned continents, each discovery a quiet victory for history's truth. Each fracture tells a story of endurance, each mark a testament to flight and failure. Each motion reflects decades of expertise, merging heritage craftsmanship with modern aerospace precision. Where repairs failed, innovation took over. Precision machines and human hands rebuilt what was lost. Each test pushed the repaired structure beyond limits, proving resilience through controlled precision and human resolve. Recovered from the crash, the engines reveal both devastation and enduring strength in their cores. The team confronts the harsh truth of restoring obsolete engines, realizing innovation must replace nostalgia. The radical idea of recoring was born, merging legacy design with modern innovation. With FADEC integration, digital precision replaced mechanical complexity, enhancing engine performance and safety. The heart of Flight 714 beats again, reborn in precision, power, and human ingenuity.
Let's in. The focus shifted to the aircraft's nervous system, the avionics. What remained of Flight 714 was designing the new electrical system was akin to mapping a new circulatory system for a living organism. It had to be robust.
In this moment, technology and craftsmanship merge, bridging decades through careful human precision.
They worked tirelessly, merging modern function with vintage grace, a cockpit reborn between eras. The Phoenix's rebirth begins anew here, where light and design merge to shape history.
They studied the past with precision, shaping the future without losing the aircraft's timeless soul.
Ilara's team refined every detail, balancing innovation with nostalgia through light, color, and design harmony. Every choice of material shaped not just safety, but the soul of the aircraft. A harmony of light and memory, where engineering meets emotion in perfect equilibrium. Each motion breathes devotion, every reflection marking the rebirth of a forgotten marvel under sunlight. The team studies the past, searching through sketches and memory for the soul of Flight 714. A vision born from compromise, blending heritage with innovation, rising anew from the ashes.
As sunlight floods the hangar, Flight 714 stands reborn, gleaming with promise and pride.
With a single press, silence yields to motion. Flight 714's heart begins to beat again.
The cockpit awakens fully, a living machine reborn, and ready for the trials ahead.
The inspector's arrival marks the beginning of the final evaluation, each step measured with quiet authority.
Eleanor Vance greets with authority, signaling the beginning of a pivotal evaluation.
Amelia tirelessly explains each system, her patience tested but her confidence unwavering under golden light.
Sunlight filters through the hangar as Richter's question lingers, data and silence sharing equal weight.
Under the soft glow of pre-dawn, their diligence transforms mechanical inspection into a quiet act of devotion.
Every breath held as dawn unveiled Flight 714, perfection gleaming beneath the rising sun.
At dawn's edge, legends meet in quiet reverence before the gleaming masterpiece of human ambition.
Every movement spoke of ritual precision, a silent bond between man and machine.
Morning sunlight gleams as the Phoenix roars to life and rises toward the boundless sky.
Each flight test brought new data, new questions, and deeper insight into the Phoenix's performance.
Two minds aligned in quiet precision, deciphering the hidden rhythm behind the aircraft's movements. Weeks of meticulous testing culminated in silent precision as human skill met mechanical perfection.
Every element of comfort has been fine-tuned, creating perfect balance between silence, light, and air. Every small fault resolved strengthened their confidence, each fix bringing perfection one step closer.
Every detail recorded with care, every system prepared to guide the Phoenix flawlessly.
Flight 714's rebirth marked not just innovation, but a tribute to human endurance and vision. The hangar glowed like a gallery, every reflection revealing Flight 714's rebirth and quiet triumph.
She's more than just an aircraft. She's a testament to what we can achieve when we refuse to give up. She carries a history of survival.
Each saw a different future for the Phoenix, its destiny shimmering with endless potential.
The team watched in silence, pride and longing mingling as Flight 714 awaited her next journey.
A moment of closure, where vision meets craftsmanship beneath the sunlight of new beginnings.
Thorne explained his vision. The Phoenix will usher in a new era of flight. She will inspire future generations to dream bigger.
As the sun set, the team's farewell carried the weight of dreams finally taking flight.
As the Phoenix lifts into the night, the Phoenix departs, leaving behind silence filled with pride, hope, and the promise of new beginnings.
Relief filled the control room as the crew finally let the tension fade away.
He stood in silence, the golden light revealing both his reverence and his resolve.
The aerospace team unveils its daring vision to restore a lost aircraft, igniting awe and controversy alike. Elia's vision evolves from concept to creation as innovation and precision breathe life into the impossible.
The Leviathan awakens at dawn, engines thrumming beneath steel decks as the team prepares in silence.
Autonomous underwater vehicles map the seabed, simulating every risk before recovery began.
He stood in silence, the golden light revealing both his reverence and his resolve.
He stood in silence, the golden light revealing both his reverence and his resolve.
Within days, a pioneering aerospace company announced its audacious plan to recover.
Elias's vision evolves from concept to creation as innovation and precision breathe life into the impossible.
The Leviathan awakens at dawn, engines thrumming beneath steel decks as the team prepares in silence.
autonomous underwater vehicles mapped the seabed, simulating every risk before recovery began.
Emergency stop. Secure all lines.
Relief filled the control room as the crew finally let the tension fade away. The voyage became a symbol of endurance, its image reflecting both grief and renewed hope. Morning light reveals both the marks and the promise of Flight 714's rebirth.
Each layer of paint settles like breath on metal, revealing human precision and patience.